Welcome to our channel UK Visa and Immigration Updates. In today's video, we will talk about skilled worker visa embassy interview. From August 2023, the Home Office had added a genuineness requirement into the skilled worker, but recently there has been a significant increase in embassy interviews resulting refusal of skilled worker visas. The Home Office invites skilled worker visa applicants for embassy interviews to verify the authenticity of the applicant's documents, assess their eligibility for the visa, and ensure that they meet all the necessary requirements for working in the UK. The Home Office will not award points for sponsorship if they have reason to believe that the sponsored role does not exist, is a sham, or has been created primarily as a way of securing a visa. Applications made from outside the UK will normally involve an online or telephone interview. Applications made from inside the UK could be in person. In either case, your interviewer will be someone who works for UKVI and is involved in some capacity in the decision-making process for your particular application. It is important not to panic if you have been notified that you need to attend an interview. You should remember to check your emails for any updates about your application, as interview requests are normally communicated by email rather than telephone. Once your interview has been completed, most applicants should not have to wait too much longer for a decision. Questions related to sponsor. What is the name and address of your employer in the UK? What is the nature of your employer's business in the UK? Who is director of the company? Did you pay any money against COS? How did you find out about this job, and what was the process of getting it? How do you communicate with your employer in the UK, and do you have any proof of that? Have you been interviewed for this job and how? Who interviewed you? How long was your interview? What questions was asked to you? Is owner of the company your relative? Do you know who your manager is at this company? Do you know how many employees work in this company? Have you visited your employer's website? Questions related to job. What is your job in the UK, and what are your job responsibilities? What are your qualifications for your job in the UK? Do you already have any work experience relevant to your job in the UK? Do you have a valid COS? Have you received a job offer before getting certificate of sponsorship? How will this job benefit your future career plans? How did you get this job? Did you sign any agreement? How much is your salary per year? What are your working hours? What is your joining date? How will you travel when you go to work? Have you ever worked in the UK before? Have you received or been rejected for another job offer in the UK? Why did you choose the UK for work and not another country? Questions related to job in your home country. Have you got any work or professional experience? Where do you work in your country? What is the name and address of your company? Who is your manager? What is your job and job responsibility? How much is your salary? Why do you not want to live and work in your home country? General questions. Do you have any family or friends in the UK? What is your marital status? Do you have any dependents? Do you have any dependents accompanying you with your skilled worker visa application? What are your educational qualifications? Who will pay your visa application fee, IHS fee and travel costs? Where will you stay in the UK upon arrival? Have you arranged any accommodation in the UK? Do you know how much a monthly living cost while living in the UK? Do you have any family or friends to support you while you stay in the UK? Have you got enough funds to support yourself in the UK before you get your first salary? Do you have proof of your recent bank statements? Do you have any proof of required maintenance funds to support your skilled worker visa application? Have you ever visited UK or any another country in the past? Have you ever been denied visa of any country including the UK? This is not an exhaustive list, but a list of questions that may be asked during your interview. Once your interview is over, please request a copy of the interview record, as this may help you if your skilled worker visa is refused. Keep in mind that using deception, for example, providing false information or documents in a visa application, usually result in a 10-year re-entry ban. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.